Oh no, it's the warning sirens. Yeah, it's our quarterly test of the emergency sirens in case there's a tornado or a nuclear accident. They just fired up. They'll run for about 10 minutes and then they'll shut down. And of course, almost every time somebody will call in, like 911 or whatever. Oh, are we under attack? Oh, I don't see a tornado, and yet the sky is blue and I hear the sirens because it's a test. Somebody up on the house over there getting a new roof. I think they got some storm damage from our last storm. Beautiful. Yep, all sirens within a 20-mile radius, I believe. 10 or 20-mile radius of the nuclear plant get tested quarterly to make sure they're still working. And while we listen to the sirens, update on the yellow jacket nest. I did find about 24 stragglers. Took them out one by one. I couldn't record that because I needed concentration. And actually I did get stung on this knuckle, my ring finger there. But it was minor. Just but a scratch. You can't even see the red mark anymore. Basically where the knuckle is. That's where I got stung. Yeah, little bastard got past the racket because I was zapping him. I had a whole graveyard of yellow jackets sitting here where I was frying them one by one. And I counted at least 24. And they're gone. Really no more stragglers. I think I got them all. Yep. Siren test is over. Woo, casualty averted. Yellow jackets are gone too, so yeah. I'm kind of letting stuff bake out there in case there's any part of the nest that I did not get. Oh, now the dogs decide to start howling. Isn't that nice? But yeah, there's still all sorts of nest debris here. I'll sweep that up eventually, but yeah, I'm letting everything get cooked in the sun. It's going to be 96 today, so nice and hot. And some of this I'll probably throw out. This is a big duffel bag. I'll probably hold on to that. It's the remnants. Well, I don't know. Then again, I may not because it's got holes in it. Yeah. Sure. I mean, it still holds stuff, but yeah, it's got holes in it now. Probably from the yellow jackets carving into it. So, awesome. But yeah, these storage bins seem to be a magnet for hornets and stuff like that, so I don't know. I want to keep them so I can store crap in them, but I don't check them. If I miss checking them very often, then they damn start building a nest and sting you when you try to open it. Yeah, that's not too good. So, beautiful. Well, anyway, sirens are done screaming and the yellow jackets are gone, so I'll wrap this updated vlog up. And yeah, that was pretty entertaining for taking out the yellow jackets, but I don't think I want to do that for a living. So, I was worried about getting them getting into the netting or down my around my neck and stuff. I wanted to make sure that was all covered up, and I think I did a good job. It was only after the fact, as I was killing off the survivors, that I got stung, so go figure. Alright, anyway, there you go. Quick update on that. So until the next thrilling video, adios.